Have you ever stumbled on something by accident and it turned out to be the start of something amazing? That is exactly how my Simply Banana journey began. And let me tell you, it all started with a church youth meeting, zero money in my pocket, and a bunch of bananas. Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I am Gakeni. Today I want to share with you the unexpected story of how my Simply Banana, my agribusiness was born. Spoiler alert, it was never part of the plan. So here is the thing. At church, we were planning a youth meet and everyone was asked to bring a snack that could serve at least 3 people. Sounds simple, right? But here is the catch. I didn't have money at the time. I really wanted to join in, but I didn't know what to carry. Then I remembered I had bananas at home and I had seen videos online about making banana crisps. I thought, why not try it? So I went ahead, sliced them up, fried them, and carried them to church. To my surprise, the youths loved them. They kept saying how tasty they were, how crunchy, how different from the usual snacks we bring. Honestly, their reaction lit something in me. I thought maybe I should make more of these. But here is where things took a twist. The bananas I was planning to use for the next batch ripened before I could fry them. At first, I thought that it's game over, but something in me said, just try it anyway. And I did. That mistake is what led me to discover what I now call golden crunch. Crisps made from ripe bananas, and let me tell you, they were a hit. In fact, my partner kept encouraging me to take this seriously. He'd say, this is not just tasty, it's healthy too. You need to make this a business. And he didn't just say it once, he told me at least 7 times before I finally gave in and started thinking about it commercially. Looking back, what started as a challenge, a youth meet with no money to buy snacks, turned into a discovery that gave birth to Simply Banana. Sometimes the things we think are setbacks are actually setups for something bigger. And honestly, without that push from my partner, Simply Banana might have remained just a happy accident in my kitchen. His belief in me and in Golden Crunch gave me the courage to take that leap, and here we are today. So that's the story of how Simply Banana was born, by accident, with love, faith, and a little push from someone who believed in me. If you'd like to hear more about this journey or see how far we are taking Golden Crunch, make sure to subscribe, like this video, and share it with a friend who needs a little encouragement today. Because sometimes your mistake could be the start of your purpose. See you in the next one. Bye bye.